What's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Dude, today's a crazy day. Pretty much could have got puts in anything, and you would have made money. Uh, I got stopped twice, and then one of them was just runners, so it was break even. And then a Tesla call out by my own one on one. So every morning, like I said, we go over it and we figure out what the market's gonna do for the day. And we had the most gorgeous setup ever on Tesla. And I got a text. I wasn't even watching Tesla, right? I was just watching AMD and Nvidia, Robinhood, Amazon. And so he texted me. He said, "Hey, man, I think well, I think Tesla's going good, right? Mind you, he's traded before. He's got some knowledge, but we're like 3 weeks in. Beautiful candle close, wait for that retest, and then at least back to the previous lows, right? That's always the first trim. But you get this candle close, trim. By all means, that is 100% a trim. I mean, that's a gorgeous candle close, and we were in profit, from 348 to 345, 346. That's about a $2 or $3 move. Um, gorgeous play there. And then that was great that he caught it. Meta definitely could have taken to the downside here. 755 to 746. It's actually gorgeous, but whatever. And then AMD, AMD below 155 to 150. Gorgeous play. I had a level at 149 instead of 150, so I would have been off there. But after you see this, I definitely would have got out again here. All this consolidation, as we're oversold, like just get out. There's no point to keep holding. Um, it's no longer a safe trade. So yeah, I mean that's really it. I just wanted to recap that, talk about my one-on-one calling his own trade, made both of us money today. That's the goal. That is the whole goal behind doing these one-on-ones is because now that you understand how to call out your own trades and you see the charts how I see the charts, you can text me because I may not see it. I may be looking at other stocks. And then you text me about a good setup and then we take that together. I'm like, dude, I agree. Beautiful setup. Let's go. I mean, like, come on. It's gorgeous. So let me know if you want to learn. Like, comment, subscribe. Ask any questions. I'm open to giving everything. I'm even open to going live every morning pre-market and showing you guys a breakdown of what I'm looking for the day, if that'll help, and going over the watch list. So let me know what you guys want. It's all free. I'm trying to share knowledge. I'm trying to make everybody money and, have some fun, baby. Let's go. It's your boy Mike Lowy. We out.